morning, everyone. I'm David Harris. I'm the Principal Engineer for Intelligent Concrete. We just sent in what we think is a very interesting paper to the Association of State Dam Safety Officials, the ASDSO. And it has to do with spillway concrete and how spillways and dams are a little different and why they're different and how you have to treat them differently. Spillways, when they're working, they have these huge flows. You have a flood and it comes up over the spillway and comes down the spillway, very high flows, and then you have a stilling basin. That's another issue different from today. So what happens with the spillway? If it's clean water, that's good, but we have the possibility for cavitation, which we're going to talk about in another video later. And then if you have things like limbs and leaves and sand and gravel, or you have all different kinds of things that might cause abrasion, then that's a real problem in the spillways with that fast flowing water and those abrasive elements. So you just can't throw any old concrete down in that spillway. You need a kind of a specialized concrete for that. So we have done a lot of work here looking at different kinds of concrete that are appropriate for spillways, and what you need is that high abrasive resistance. So we developed some mixes that have various additions to them that improve the abrasion resistance. So you can put in coil silica or other products to improve that abrasion and resistance. Here in the lab we've tested that. We've miniaturized that case with an ASTM case, and we've discovered that we can improve the abrasion up to 50%, up to increase it by almost 2 in fact. So if you're making spillways, let us know, because you don't want to use just old-time ordinary concrete. You want to use that what's best available today, that state-of-the-art concrete, and put that best spillway in you can, so you don't have problems like we've seen in the past. So that's a few comments on spillway concrete. And so one nice thing about spillway concrete is it is concrete, so go concrete, beat asphalt.